Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a happy helicopter with a big smile. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. First, let's draw a big round shape for the body, just like a circle. But wait, leave a little gap right here like in the example. Great start! Next, let's add a cute tail sticking out from the side. Pop it right there. Now, give it some legs. Draw the landing skids on both sides so our helicopter can land safely. One on the left, and one on the right. Don't forget the tiny propeller on the tail. Spin, spin, spin. Time for the big blades on top. Let's draw the rotor mast first, that's the little stick in the middle. Now for the left blade, draw a long line. Steady hands now. And another one on the right. Now it's ready to fly. Let's add some cool patterns to make it look extra special. Next, draw a big cockpit window for the pilot. And don't forget the little window on the side. Give our helicopter some eyes. 1 and 2. Look at that. And the most important part, give it a big, happy smile. Our sketch is finished. It looks amazing. Are you ready to bring it to life with some colors? Let's go! Let's start with black for the eyes. Gently now, stay inside the lines. Use a pretty pink for the mouth. What a sweet smile. Next, use light blue for the cockpit and windows. It looks just like the clear blue sky. Let's color the whole body bright yellow. It's going to be so sunny and happy. Color it all in, no rush at all. Now, use green for the rotor mast. Looking good. Use green again for the tips of the blades. Just a little touch on the ends. Careful now, just the tips. It's like the helicopter is wearing little green socks. For the rest of the blades, let's use bright red. Wow, look at those colors pop. Red and green look so cool together, don't they? Fill it in nicely. Color the tail with green. You're doing a wonderful job. Then, use red for the tail propeller. Spin away. Almost there. Use green for the landing legs. And finish it off with red for the landing skids. Perfect. All done! Our helicopter looks so bright and cheerful, doesn't it? You can try drawing it again and use any colors you want next time. See you later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.